Today I am here to tell you about the life and death sequence of a star. Astronomers believe that molecular clouds, dense clouds of gas located primarily in the spiral arms of galaxies, are the birthplaces of stars. Once stars are born, they will create their energy by the process of hydrogen fusion, which is the process of fusing two hydrogen atoms to create one helium atom. Energy is created because a helium atom weighs slightly less than the two hydrogen atoms put together, and the excess mass is converted into energy. Our sun is currently in this stage of converting hydrogen to helium. Now that we have the life of a star down, I'm going to tell you a little about a star's death. After the star exhausts the supply of hydrogen in its core, there is no longer any source of heat to support the core against gravity. Hydrogen burning continues in a shell around the core, and the star evolves into a red giant. Meanwhile, the core of the star collapses under gravity's pull when it reaches a high enough density to start burning helium to carbon. This stage will last about 100 million years until the helium is exhausted in the core and the star becomes a red supergiant. Eventually, though, the sun will lose all of its mass in its envelope and leave behind a hot core of carbon embedded in a nebula. Radiation from this hot core will ionize the nebula, producing a striking planetary nebula. The carbon core will eventually cool and become a white dwarf, the dim remnant of a once bright star. Now we have our star over here, and when it becomes a red dwarf, okay, don't make fun of this, but it becomes red. I don't know if you can see that, but you got a little red. There you go.
Are we gonna stop it?
Yep.
Okay.